What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to do a nice therapy get ready with me. You know I haven't been on here for a minute, so you know we definitely got to catch it up and bust it up. Really quick, I do want to let you know everything that I'm going to be using on my face, I'm going to be putting in the description box below. I kind of like did my routine already, so all we got to do is just jump in the face. You dig me? But yes, boo, what's been going on? Like, how have you been? I've been okay. I had a crazy loss in August. It really shocked me. Let me pull my hair back really quick. But yes, it was very unexpected. My mother, she passed August 22nd. It was the worst thing that has ever happened to me in my life. My mother died from a heart attack. It was just unexpected, you know what I'm saying? I still don't really have my head wrapped around it. Every day I have to come to the realization that I can't call my mom anymore. Like, I'll never hear her. I'll never feel her anymore. That's why I haven't been able to do any videos, because it's just been really rough for me at this moment, losing my mom. And every day is just hard to, you know, not have her here, not have her say, "Muckhead," you know what I mean? "Come here, Muckhead." Because she was my best friend. She was the reason why I am a dreamer. I dream. I remember when I was a little girl, my mom used to sit and do my hair in front of the TV. Back in the day, it used to be this, the box. And what you would do, it would be videos, but people would be able to buy the videos and like see their videos or whatever. And when I used to watch the videos, I used to say, oh my God, like, I want to like do stuff like that. I see myself doing it. So my love of fashion, just looking at clothes and stuff like that on the TV, like, it just excited me, like just seeing like the clothes and them singing and performing. So the process has definitely been very hard for me. I would not be able to get through this if it wasn't for the Lord. I thank him every day. I also thank my husband and my daughters and my close friends and my close family for always just being there and calling me and helping me. You know what I mean? I just lost my mom. I just lost my best friend. It was just like this tight knit. But I think the hardest part for me now with losing my mom is, I'm gonna just say it like this: my grandma, my mom, and my brother. It's always been us four. So it's like my root is like gone. And it's like hurtful in a way, because you know, you picture your life having your mom, especially when I reached my full potential or where I wanted to be in life, and it's like all of them are like gone. My brother was murdered. My grandma, she just died of old age. But then it's like, now I don't have my mom. It's just like very hard. But I know for a fact that the Lord doesn't make any mistakes, and my mom and my brother and my grandma, they are watching over me. I'm gonna have to wipe this off. All right, we gonna get through it. But I just always pictured my mom being there when I make it and seeing me be successful. And even though I am proud of where I'm at now and I'm grateful for where I'm at now, I'm very thankful that the Lord allowed me to have a mother like her. You know, she definitely didn't get a chance to, you know, see me fully get to my potential or where I wanted to be, but I know she's proud of me. I know that I honored her, because me and my mother, our relationship was not perfect, because you know mother-daughter's relationships are never perfect. I loved her. I never disrespect her. You know, she was just the bomb, you know what I mean? And even when we struggled, she still made it fun for some reason. Like, I remember one time our gas had got cut off. So we was a little sad that we ain't had no gas or whatever. And my mom heated up some water on the pot, you know what I'm saying? Washed us up like she was doing. She had already bought us like clothes and stuff. Like, my mom was fly, like we stayed fly, period. Okay, it's in our blood, you dig me? And then she had put our little Timbs on, put our little shorts on, all three of us, me, my mom, and my brother. Those type of moments, even though we was going through things and even though we were struggling, she still made it fun in some type of way. I'm trying to hurry up, guys, because I was crying. I had to take all my makeup off. I'm just very honored to have a mother like her, to be as strong as she was, single mom, doing it on her own with all she's been through. I just know that I would not be here this strong if it wasn't for my mom, if it wasn't for my grandma. They just showed me never give up. You feel what I'm saying? Be all you could be, and don't let your circumstances or where you come from determine where you're going to be, or where you feel like, oh, well, this is all I see, but then this is it. No, eyes haven't seen, ears haven't heard. You can do and you can be wherever you want to be as long as you put your mind to it, and just keep working at it. You know what I mean? That's what I do. I just keep working at things and keep trying to be the best person that I can be, because, you know, I want my kids to be good people. And look, we getting through. I'm trying to speed it up. But on a positive note, I did New York Fashion Week. It was so lit. I had showed my collection. You already know I killed it. You know what I'm saying? I haven't walked in so long, so I was so nervous to walk. But it's so crazy that when I was walking, the only person that I was just thinking about was my mom. Help me get through this, you know, because I was still going through it about my mom. You know what I'm saying? But I heard a little something, and then I went like this. I had to let them know where I was from. You know what I'm saying? I'm still a G at heart. You dig me? Say no, but but for real, like, I had so much fun. Let me fix this chin. I know y'all was looking like, what is you gonna do with that chin, Stacey? I know you're going through it, but I got it. I fixed it. I'm just gonna let this sit really quick, and we're gonna jump into eyebrows. I have been thinking about seeing a therapist. I have not ever thought about seeing a therapist, even with my brother, but since my mom passed, I think my crazy behind should see a therapist. Yeah, I really think it's about that time. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to definitely get on that. I would want a therapist that is actually an African American, only because I feel like I want to talk to somebody that kind of understand what I'm going through. So I definitely want to do that. But other than that, I've just been trying to be as positive as possible. And even though it was very hard for me to do this video, I said I cannot come on here and just not tell my booze what's been going on and act like everything is okay, and it's not. And I appreciate everybody who watches my videos. I appreciate everybody who's just support me and support my brand. I just want to say thank you so much, because it's not easy, man. It's not easy going through life and just having things go on in life, and then still got to pick up the pieces. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna just set this in. You know what this is an example of, real quick, boo? By me just doing my makeup right after I just boo-hoo cry like that, this is like you only got 5 minutes to cry, you boss up and you keep it moving. Now we could jump into eyes. We're gonna hurry up and jump right into that. So we're going to be jumping into the new Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. Of course, I have already played in this. This is like her newest palette. Y'all know I always use the Carnival palette. Boo, I bought this one too, so I can't wait till we be able to play in this too. But check out the colors. It is definitely giving you fall, giving you elated. You know, we are going to be jumping into this brown. We're going to be jumping into chestnut. I just want to take chestnut and just rub that right into my crease, warm up my eye a little bit. I don't know, but for some reason I feel a little bit better since I talked about my mom with you guys. It's so difficult to do, and when I'm able to get through it, it's like I feel accomplished, like, whew, thank you, God. You know, and losing somebody that you love, you have to have God near you at all times. Like, you know, he has always been my strength when I'm weak. Now I'm going to do a cut crease. I've been doing this little thing with my eye lately. I just like the way it looks, so I'm going to do a cut crease real quick. I also bought her Do Wet. This is in the color Soft Silk. And now since I have that there, I'm gonna just take a little brush and kind of like blend it out. I'm going to jump into this color right here. It's called Dove. It's like a white. And I'm gonna just take this and put this over my eye. Like, this pigment is crazy. This is why I love STACIEWO. I'm going to be jumping into this black. It's called Lights Out. Kind of like form a wing a little bit. And just keep flicking it. I gotta hurry up because I got a meeting and I'm gonna be all dialed up. They're gonna be like, girl, where you going? So now I'm about to just put this under my eye. Lately I've been doing like this technique with this like white under my eye, and that's only because this right here kind of like opens up your eye a little bit more. And this has been like one of my fave looks to do. We getting it going. Yes. Really, really quick. Let me jump into some mascara because you know we gotta lay the mascara on here. When I tell you I'm so happy that I'm like almost done my face, because when I tell you I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna just not be able to do my face. I'm gonna just be crying and crying and crying. But I did it. Mama did it, baby. Now I'm gonna put on my lashes. Now I'm gonna get all this stuff off my face, warm my face up. And I don't really feel like no blush, so I'm gonna take some Mocha Mommy. That's what I do when I don't want no blush. I just go. So I'm definitely gonna be jumping into my Over It by STACIEWO. Y'all know this is my favorite highlight. So I'm gonna mix that and the Gold Luxe. Give some highlight up in here. I'm gonna just give y'all a cute little lip because we almost done. We are just gonna be jumping into this Cruising, and it's like a lip gloss, but I really don't want to do too much for lip. And now we gonna jump into this new stuff I've been using. This is the Magic Mist Set. Oh my God, it's so divine. And we just gonna. This is the final look. I am not going to get dressed because this was a really trying video that I did, and I'm just so happy that I was able to push through this video and just create this pretty look that I'm giving you guys, that you guys can definitely recreate. So if you are feeling this look, make sure you do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my bold viewers feeling this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also want to say thank you so much for just sitting through and listening and, you know, having this vibe with me. And, you know, I hope that this video can inspire somebody to keep pushing through if you lost somebody that you really love, especially a parent. You know, at the end of the day, honor your mother and your father, and your days will live longer in life. And I'm just so happy that that's what I did to my mom. I honored my mom. I loved my mom. You know what I'm saying? I love you guys so much. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you boo in my next video. Mwah.